So the Intercepting Blood Cancer meeting, or IBC, started in 2023 at a meeting in Madrid, and there was a follow-up meeting in 2024 in Lisbon. And this is an international meeting that brings together leading investigators from around the world who are all focused on the problem of understanding precursor conditions in hematologic malignancies across different types and how they may transition to frank malignancy. And so this paper that we just published recently in the Blood Cancer Journal is summarizing the report from the first two meetings, specifically focused on the sessions from MBL, monoclonal B-cell lymphocytosis, and that transition to CLL. And so this article really is a kind of a comprehensive gathering of all the findings from the meeting. We had over 20 authors contributing to this piece and summarizing everything from the biology of how MBL starts through how it can then transform into CLL, even transformation events to Richter transformation. And then importantly, also looking at the early therapeutic interventions and whether maybe an early intervention strategy may help to limit progression of MBL to CLL and perhaps even limit the development of Richter transformation from CLL. And so this is an ongoing meeting. We've now had another edition, and we have another one coming up. We're very excited that this is now a new tradition to bring together the world's leading investigators on this topic, because we think if we can tackle these blood cancers early on, we may be able to make a difference for patients in terms of reducing the complications of the disease, broadly speaking, whether it's infections or second cancers or the disease progression itself.